Alright guys, welcome back to Bite the Buck. Today we're gonna break down August the 5th. Yep, August the 5th. Gonna look at some technicals and just see where we could have taken some trades during the day. Again, like we always do, like I always do, determine the direction. Clearly, it looks like it's going down, right? If you look from left to right, you know, even if you look at like the hourly, whatever time frame you look at, it looks like it's going down, right? So we'll definitely be looking for sells. So we'll start off with the hourly, do a little plotting. Looks like there was like a decent spot over here, kinda like in that area, and then also just another thing like right here. Is this straight? No, it is not. Let's straighten this too. Boom. Alright, so we got these straight now. Straight. And something up here too. Then also down here. Okay, so we're on our hourly. Now we're gonna go to our 30-minute again, just to make sure everything makes sense. Back to the 5th. So over here, it looks like yeah, this looks pretty solid still, right? Like just as far as structure goes, if we do plan on making sells, I'm thinking the best spot would probably, you know, obviously be right here. But again, like I think, yeah, that would be the best spot. Your risk management would be pretty spot on. These are pretty big, pretty big range, like $9 range, and then it even continues to break down, right? So 30-minute isn't too much, you know, until we get to 1 o'clock, 12:30, right? Comes down, pulls up, does a little pullback. This pullback is about, damn, it's $11 pullback, right? And then this wick is also $6, so I would have been stopped out even if I tried to go for the sells. Anyway, let's move off to the 15-minute, see what it sells us. So now the 15-minute looks a lot more interesting here. On the 15-minute, right, we actually see, you know, more of the waving happen. So, you know, lower low, higher low, lower low, higher low, lower low, right? We close, higher low, and then the break, obviously. So again, depending on where you enter your position, your stops would probably be quite tight here. Even just looking at this wick, like that's 250 right there. So you'd have just made it, and you could have made easily, you know, 67 ticks. But anyway, let's say you didn't get it, right? 9:30 comes, pushes down. We're pretty much in no man's land, so it should continue going, right? 9:30 on my time, Eastern time zone, is 8:30, which is market open. So that's very, very, very important. So 9:30 there's a push, you know, continues down, pull up to where it opened, and then a push down again. So I think this is another, you know, really good spot here to consider, right, to play off of if you plan on taking sells. And then again, right, as far as stop loss, take profit, 250, and then you can easily make, you know, you could have easily made a large sum after that move, but it depends on, you know, how long you want to take this trade. Anyway, let's continue down. It'll come down. By this time it's 1, p.m. or 12 o'clock Chicago time. As price goes, it pulls up, right, and then jumps back down again. These wicks are pretty massive, so you'd probably have to wait for a solid close or even take multiple positions, because I would have got stopped out here and then I'd probably take another sell, right? And again, that's an easy 92 pip move in an hour. Price pulls up again, right, because we did build some structure up here. Let me go back to the 30 minute just to see why it looks like that. So on the 30, yeah. Let's go to the left to close the stuff on the left. Go back to 15, and we can take a look. August 5th. Okay, yeah, see, this looks much better now. So right, we get the close below, pull up, and surge down, and then it even comes back to retest the break, right, where support becomes resistance. And then again, even if you took it right when it touched, ooh, you would have probably been stopped out. I would have been stopped out, because again, I like my $2.50 stop losses. But if you take it at the close, you'd be perfectly fine. Then on the 5 minute, excuse me, on the 5 minute, what do we got? 5 minute, really pretty. So on the 5 minute, again, right, if you waited for it to touch this trend line, this horizontal line, you probably would have got stopped out, right? You wait for another close, because again, it still pretty much sells, and then boom, you can take them down there. This wick honestly is not even that big at all, but it's still, I think I still would have been stopped out here, depending. Oh no, I wouldn't. 250 is up here. Okay, no, I wouldn't. And then again, or you have a big range that you can take advantage of. And again, that's a $100 tick move, right? 100 ticks, one contract, $100 something, and that's over. You know, that's only over 45 minutes or an hour if you hold it. And if you hold it into the next day and then the next session, 2 hours, you know, that's 200 ticks, $200 on a one contract, which is quite nice. So anyway, that's the structure breakdown. I would show you the 1 minute as well, but 1 minute really isn't for everyone. Maybe in my next videos I'll show the 1 minute, but for now we'll just go down to the 5 and just break down the structure of the chart. 1 minute does look very pretty though. You can get some really nice entries if you plan this properly. Only thing is, it's not perfect, you know, like you can't see the waves. There's a lot more waves in the 1 minute, but again, like, timing is so important. So anyways, thanks for stopping by, and risk on, guys. Bye.